What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Sister J. As you can tell by the title, we are eating lobster tail, boiled eggs, and my good sauce. I'm standing up because I want to show you guys how I am trimming up. And as I continue this journey, I am so proud of myself. I feel good. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. I knew that I would. Hey, you feel me, y'all? I feel good, you know? I am on the road this summer. My goal is to lose 25 to 30 pounds by June or July. And I think we can do it, you guys. We can do it. We are a team, remember? But let's say grace and get right on into it. Dear the Father, I want to thank you for the food. Please bless this food, make it nourish my body. Jesus Christ, I pray. Amen. You guys, I know I'm gonna put my apron on because that sauce be dripping. But you know what, you guys? I seem so happy. I am. I got a call. Not a call, a text message. Yesterday. No, I didn't get a text message. How about this? I happen to be calling the Nike store because I haven't seen a tracking number on my shoes. I paid money for my shoes to be here today. Called them. They didn't cancel my order. They ain't cancel it. They don't have the shoe in stock. Why is that? Why that's not on the app? Why y'all have me spend my money on those shoes knowing you didn't have them? But you know what? My birthday tomorrow, I'm not going to let the devil steal my joy. I got plenty of shoes in my closet, but I wanted to wear that specific shoe. You feel me? You want what you want on your birthday. Like, literally. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm going to make it work. I'm going to make it work. It's okay. We have our beet juice that we need to drink every day. Let's drink it. Ooh. You gotta sip on it. You can't just drink this up like that. But let's get into this video. I kind of really didn't find a word for X today, for the personality. So I used the word excellent. So are you excellent? I'm excellent at everything I do. I'm good at everything I do. I put everything, my all in everything I do, especially when I want to do it. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is. And then we got Y and Z, and then it's OV. I forgot my pepper. I like pepper on my eggs. I'll be right back. But yeah, guys, I'm feeling good today. I'm outside with your babe. Got it done with dread. Hey, what? You know, for a minute I had got, look, sometimes you get bloated on this diet. I was getting a little bit discouraged because I try not to jump on the scale like that. So I'm like, I feel a little bit bloated. I feel fat. So I started back drinking my beet tea so I can go to the bathroom, this and that. And you know, I'm like, I just feel irritated. I hope I don't feel like this on my birthday. Look at that sauce, you guys. That sauce. When I tell you, this smart butter. If you use any other butter, using crab legs or eggs or lobster tail, change it up because that butter is not no good. I see a lot of people using bonnet butter. This smart butter, try that smart butter. Like literally, throw that thing on. You guys, my birthday is tomorrow. And I'm feeling good today, you know? Let me scoot up something. Yeah. Douche. You see that? Too excited. But anyway, y'all know, I know y'all don't know, but we friends, we should know. I only ate them 2 tacos yesterday. I ain't eat nothing else. I ain't got 4. I put the other taco in the microwave. I'm just not throwing it in the garbage this morning. I'm just tired. I want to rest so I can get ready for my big day. I don't know how you guys feel about birthdays, but like I was saying, birthdays are important to me. I have to, ooh, thing popping. I have to have a birthday. A birthday party. Birthday song. I have to celebrate being in the land of the living. You feel me? Talk about it. I don't want to bring it up too far. I watched it, just got to clean up the kitchen again. But you know what? This sauce on my tea. Of course, we got that H2O. You gotta have that H2O. I don't drink sodas. I don't know when the last time I had one. But I drink, actually it's right here. Finna get it going to garbage. They done drunk it up. Have you noticed when people don't drink, once they sodas, pop, and stuff gone, they juice, they start working on your stuff? Look what I'm left to. Nothing in here. I barely had a cup of this. You feel me? Minute Maids, it's gone. And it's so good. All everybody know. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys are coming along with me on my journey with my keto diet / Atkins diet, because we can do this thing together. We are not alone. We are not alone. We're gonna do this thing together, you feel me? Let's do it together. Yeah, guys, do this thing together. It's always good to have supporters support you. Before I started doing YouTube, I used to watch people. I'm gonna take all this off, so I won't have to be doing it no more. Before I started doing YouTube, ooh, it's just popping. I used to watch people, and it used to keep me happy I hope I'm keeping you guys happy and entertained, you know? And we all having a bad day. I used to tune in to some people. I'm still watching them. But since I moved to Houston, I've been happy every morning. Because if I hadn't been where I lived at, and my shoes, wasn't available, ooh, child, have mercy on them. I've been mad. But because we're trying to do something different in 2025, me and you, we want to learn how to control. There's nothing we can do about anything that's uncontrollable. There's nothing I can do about them shoes didn't come. I can be mad all day, tomorrow, all day for my birthday, and guess what? I still ain't got the shoes, you know? So, we learning how to be calm, patient. Something I've never been able to do. We're gonna work on that thing. We are going to make it. And we're gonna do this thing together. Do a thing together. Do the thing together. Hey, you hear me? Well, yeah. I didn't want to turn my air on, but it's a little bit hot. Feeling good outside. I told y'all when I drink water, I told you guys, because I don't know if y'all, I'm sure you know, drink a glass of water before you eat. And you're going to get full. Y'all see, I didn't really eat much. I'm full already. But I'm going to eat this today. Because I don't want to miss a beat on eating all right food. But I don't want to force myself for eating. Man, this stuff right here, you gotta drink it cold. But I had it in the refrigerator. And then I hold a glass so I can drink it with you guys. We can drink it every day. My daughter introduced me to this. And she mixed pineapple juice with hers. And her glass be filled up to here. I ain't got time for that. Let me drink mine on up and get it all with. You feel me? Jeez. But also, like I was telling you guys, when you drink this, don't be discouraged. Because it's going to have, I'm the only one eating this sauce, so. Ooh, that's, I'm talking about the butter itself. It's just so good. But what I was going to say was, it's going to come out of your urine and your bowel movements. I had a good time. I got some more eggs over there on the stove. I wasn't gonna eat them all. But yeah, I'm gonna clean this off, yeah, but I don't like all this stuff just sitting up there while I'm eating. You feel me? I like to get it off there, at least get some of it off there. Then I'm gonna clean it on up. You know, why don't y'all take a bite of this egg? Take a bite with me. I don't want to bring it too close up. Mm. Yeah. So I was gonna go to the mall. I looked on my email address. Let's see. I got an order coming here today. I really kind of hate that I did that because it's going to hold me back for what I need to do today. I'm getting my hair done today. They'll be here around 7 tonight to do my hair. But man, I gotta sit at home all day waiting on the damn package. So what I'm gonna do is relax my brain cell. And take a nap. You know, take me a nap. I'm not gonna let nothing stress me out on my birthday week. It's hot. I got man hot. I don't like sweet. I don't like sweet. Sweet is sugar. Sweet is carbs. Nothing. It's gonna make me a diabetic. But at this moment, I'm a pre-diabetic. And I'm making it do what it do. You feel me? I'm making it do what it do. I told you guys my teeth was gonna kind of heal up a little bit. It's still in the healing process since I just got my braces tightened up. I hope it ain't like that tomorrow. Because I want a steak. Yeah. And the salt going up in my nose. But yeah, you guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And fill my comments with love, with happy birthdays tomorrow. You feel me? Wherever I go, I'm taking you guys with me. I want you guys to enjoy my birthday with me. Really love you guys. Show me some love. And I want to thank you guys for subscribing and supporting me. Hit that like button. Turn on the notifications so y'all can know when Sexy J is posting. I finished my food today. Even though it wasn't much. This was literally my breakfast. This was, when I post this, it would be today. And it is 11:23 a.m. I probably won't eat nothing else. I'm trying to do a video for you guys. If I had the appetite, I want to do another Buffalo Wild Wings. I want to give them a fair chance. You feel me? I want to put them back out here and compare them to Wingstop that I had last week. I'm going to give them a benefit of the doubt. I'm going to compare them. I want to do that today, but I'm not sure. But there you guys have it. I am full. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and leave them comments down below. Just know Sexy J love you guys to the moon and back. And tune in with me. Tap into me. You feel me? Hit them like buttons. Hit that subscribe button. If you're not subscribed, you're not going to know when I'm posting or anything. Hit them buttons. Show Sexy J some love. And just know Sexy J love you guys. I enjoyed that. I really did enjoy that. I'm going to end this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Leave the comments down below. Love you guys. Peace out.